The U.S. Department of Defense has announced a contract award to Bell for production and delivery of 12 AH-1Z Viper attack helicopters, worth $455 million to Nigerian government. The package includes essential equipment such as guidance systems, night vision imaging systems and comprehensive training programs for Nigerian personnel. Taiwan is acquiring 4 additional MQ9B SkyGuardian drones worth $250 million from U.S. along with 2 certifiable ground control stations, spare parts, and necessary support equipment to bolster its surveillance and reconnaissance capabilities. Taiwan's acquisition of MQ9B drones comes as Beijing ramps up military activities near the island nation. In a bid to enhance its operational capabilities, Indian Coast Guard has signed a contract for the acquisition of 9 advanced light helicopters. These twin-engine helicopters weighing 5,500 kilograms exhibit versatile capabilities, enabling them to execute maritime security missions from both airfields and platforms afloat. Pakistan defense firm Global Industrial and Defense Solutions unveiled its latest unmanned combat aerial vehicle Shahpar II. It is medium-altitude long-endurance drone which can achieve maximum speed of 200 km per hour. With maximum flight endurance of 14 hours, it can engage targets up to 1,000 km away.